Really? So that's what you like? Oh, damn. Yes, I will tell him, and he is here. Okay, I gotta go. I'll call you later. All right, I'll tell him. All right, bye. Gentlemen, that was your girl, and we gotta talk. So about a year ago, I did a video talking about 7 secret spots that a woman wants you to be touching on that super sexy body, right? Nothing dirty or anything like that. And touching, when done right in the appropriate secret spots, is definitely a way to get that engine rolling. But I gotta tell you that kissing, whole nother level in terms of sexy seduction stuff. And so today, guys, I'm going over 8 spots that she wants you to kiss. So if you're ready, gentlemen, to take your seduction game from a 6 to a 13.5, why don't you drop me one of these and be like, yo, Alpha, your boy's ready. I'm ready to rock. This list? Yeah, this is the list that we're gonna go over today, gentlemen. I'm already getting a little excited. And you should be excited, which is why you definitely should have dropped me one of these. All right, so the first spot that I want you to start to think about kissing, whether or not you've got a spicy senorita now or you will in the future, is actually her lower back. So the lower back is one of the sexiest places, not only that you can touch or caress, but also kiss. Guys, the fact is, it is crazy sensitive. And the reason is because all of the nerves for like the front, right, action actually originate in the lower back region. And so as you can imagine, incredibly sensitive. And when you take your time, when you're gentle, when you're sexy, gentlemen, good things happen. Number 2, the hips. The hips are an amazing place to take your time, slow down, and give a little attention to. And the reason is because it's also incredibly sensitive. It's also very close to the other area that's gonna get her thinking, yo, maybe he's gonna go a little extra in terms of extra. Like we've talked about, one of the downsides to the movies, gentlemen, is that they're not showing you all the sexy secret spots. They're just showing you what you think you need to do, which is pound away. Gentlemen, the fact is, that is only one small piece of the seduction equation. It may come as a surprise to you, but a woman has more places on her body than just her boobs and her vagine. She's got a lot of sexy areas that you need to start exploring, including number 3, the collarbone, gentlemen. Yeah, right there. But here's the thing. You're like, yo, what about the neck? Isn't the neck sexy? Yes, the neck is incredibly sexy, but the collarbone is a little next level. Why? Because it's a little bit, it's a sexy bone. Speaking of bones, how's yours been? Everything good? Everything go? Or has it been a little, not really feeling it, not right now, not really interested, gentlemen? If I've said it once, I've said it 10,000 times. If you are experiencing any form of ED, you gotta hit that link down below and go check out today's video sponsor, Roman. Guys, the truth is, talking about erectile dysfunction isn't easy. As dudes, normally what we do, we just brush it off like, not tonight, I lost my mojo, I'm just tired, I'm not feeling it. But with Roman, it's easy to talk about. With a healthcare professional that can prescribe you real medication, it's simple, safe, and totally discreet. With Roman, you can get a free online evaluation and ongoing care for your ED, all from the comfort and privacy of your home. The healthcare professional will work with you to find the best treatment plan, and if medication is appropriate, Roman will ship it to you with free 2-day shipping. The whole process is simple, straightforward, and discreet. And guys, getting started is super simple. All you gotta do is go to GetRoman.com/alpha and complete an online visit. Erectile dysfunction used to be tough to tackle, but now there's Roman. Complete an online visit today and connect with a healthcare professional and take care of it. Guys, go to GetRoman.com/alpha to get a free online visit, and if approved, you're gonna get $15 off your first order of ED treatment plus free 2-day shipping. That's GetRoman.com/alpha to get $15 off your first order of ED treatment. Speaking of bones, that could quite possibly go down in history as one of the best Alpha M sponsored transitions ever to be recorded. Gentlemen, if you agree, drop me one of these to be like, yo, my bone is solid. Pun intended. Bones, collarbone, sexy, kiss it, yes. Also neck, that's number 4. You better get busy, gentlemen. Get busy smooching on that neck. A little nibble, little lick, little kiss, yes please. I'm getting ready to make out with myself, I'm getting so sexy. Number 5 is definitely the ears, right? You're like, yo Alpha, you know a thing or two about ears. I definitely do. Look at these pointy ass things. The other thing I know is that when you kiss somebody's ears, it's like next level in terms of, I don't know what it is about the nerve endings on your ear, but it's like a direct highway down to the action zone. At least it is for me. Whenever anybody like sucks on my ears, I'm like, yo, even if like I've had dogs lick my ear that I've been like, damn, I'm kind of digging you a little more. Don't look at me like that. Whatever. It's not like I'm like going around to like stray dogs, be like, lick, whatever. This got weird fast. Gentlemen, let's move on to number 6. Speaking of weird, back of the leg, aka the knee. Oh yeah, the back of the knee, gentlemen. Have you ever had the back of your knee kissed? Well, that's a shame, because the fact is, it is incredibly sensitive. It's also incredibly sexy. And so, when your spicy senorita is like laying there, right, and you're starting at the feet, if feet are cool, go for the feet. You can kiss those too. If they're funky, stay away from the feet. Anyway, here's the deal, right? Start working your way up. Kissing the ankle, the calf, get to the knee, back of the knee, give it a little extra attention. Hold up, let's back it up a little bit and talk for a second about the feet, because that wasn't on my list, but it could be, and probably should be, if she gets the pedicures on the regular and her feet are super sexy. She's got some fine-ass feet, gentlemen. You know what to do. You get to work, gentlemen, kissing those things. Maybe like suck on a toe or two. But if they're funky, definitely stay away. Move up the leg a little bit more. Back of the knee. The back of the knee is one of those spots, right? You don't think about it. You're like, yo, back of the knee? Is it really that sensitive? Is it really that sexy? If I kiss it, gentlemen, the answer is hell yeah. Would I lie to you? The answer is hell no. For the record, all of these spots that I'm talking about come from extensive research. Ladies, so not that extensive. Like, I didn't have Tinder when I was single, right? If I had Tinder, thank God I didn't. Anyway, gentlemen, let's move on. I don't even freaking know what number we're on, but we're going to talk about, let's go with hands, palm. Gentlemen, mwah, that bottom, mwah, right there. Yes, exactly. Fingers, yes, please. Wrist, underside of the wrist. Whew, that's the money shot right there, because the underside of the wrist is incredibly sexy. And so if you want to start kissing that a little bit, work up the arm a little bit, woo, I'm getting tingly just thinking about it. I literally have no idea what number I'm on. The next one, I'm just rolling, right? All right, forehead, face. Gentlemen, if you were sitting there and your girl's like laying down, right, come up and give her a little kiss on the forehead. It's sweet, it's tender, and it's sexy. Something else that's sexy we gotta talk about, gentlemen, are those bad boys. I'm not gonna say it because like this video isn't already demonetized. The nips! But you gotta play this one kind of cool, slow, gentlemen. You know, a lot of dudes see the movies and they think that every woman wants them like just biting and squeezing and all. Here's the deal. You gotta go a little slower and see how she reacts. Certain women don't want anything to do with it, as in you touching them or kissing them or caressing them, but a lot actually do. Research has shown that when you stimulate that areola, what? It does something. It does something incredible. It releases oxytocin, a chemical, the love hormone, that basically makes mothers bond with babies. Even though this is a weird way to let you know to do it, it's still an effective way to bond and connect with the spicy senorita. The other thing that these are connected to is that. Like a direct hotline, gentlemen. You start stimulating that action, right? The other action gets a little bit warmed up and getting a little bit like, okay, I see what's happening here. I'm expecting him to go downtown and to do that thing. Which brings us to the last area that you should definitely be kissing. What? Inner thighs. Inner thighs. Woo! That inner thigh action, gentlemen. You start nibbling, a little kissing, moving up, but don't do it. Just a little, yeah, right? Woo! I can't even stand it. It's so effective. The other thing you need to definitely be doing is going downtown and doing that thing to that thingy thing, because the fact is, if you're not, she is incredibly disappointed.